gonna get you a very special video. Today's video is about a Jasmine. She is a daughter of Sultan, the Sultan of Agrabah. So, do you like the Jasmine hairs, her jewelry, her dress? Here comes a beautiful doll of Jasmine. Look at her hairstyle. So beautiful. Look at her dress, the blue dress. Her bangles, her jewelry, so awesome. Here comes the Disney Mattel collection. Beautiful Jasmine doll. Embroidery on the dress. Look at her shoes, her jewelry, her embroidered beautiful dress, the magical golden lamp. Here comes another Mattel collection Jasmine doll. Very pretty. Here comes the red Jasmine doll. Look at her dress, her jewelry. She looks so awesome, pretty. Look at her shoes, her gems on her dress.
Rule number 1, I can't kill anybody.
This doll is a beautiful, sparkly, shiny Jasmine baby doll. Look at her hairs, her beautiful dress, her eyes. So, this is Aladdin doll. Aladdin. Look at the Aladdin dress. His eyes. He looks so cute. His cap. Oh, his cap is so cute. His smile. This doll is very awesome. Here comes a genie from the golden lamp. He is a friend of Aladdin. He fulfilled his 3 wishes. Here is the Abu, the magic flying carpet, a complete doll collection of Aladdin movie.
Hey friends, my name is Aladdin. Do you like my dress, my hairs? I was a street boy that become a Jasmine Sultan.
Rule number 1, I can't kill anybody.
So don't ask.
Hey friends, I am the baby Jasmine. Look at me. I am the princess of Agrabah. Hey friends, I am the daughter of Sultan. Look at my dress, royal dress. Here I am with my prince Aladdin. Do you like my dress, my hairs, my complete look of princess? What you say? Here I am, my kids. Look at my hairs, my jewelry, my complete dress. Sky blue, what you say? Here I am in a beautiful combination of orange rust dress. Look at my hairstyle, my jewelry, my shoes. I am a complete, beautiful, royal, luxury princess. So here comes my friends. I am Jasmine in another look. Look at my beautiful dress, my hairs, my magical wand. What you say, isn't it beautiful? So here I am, a Jasmine princess in a street girl simple look. Am I looking pretty? Here comes my friend. I am Jasmine. Am I looking pretty too? I got a golden magical lamp and the genie fulfilled my 3 wishes. Look at my royal shoes, my royal gown, princess dress. Okay my kids, see you in my next video. Bye!